So you want to know what the seller timeline looks like before you're listing a home, right? This is a question that I get often asked. They want to know timelines when selling their home. What should they expect? How long will it take? It's a question we get all the time. Hey there, I'm Christina Sparks, realtor with Coldwell Banker and owner of House of Sparks. Well, we need to get your home ready for sale. You really want to make sure that you're careful not to just slap the home on the MLS before actually having it show ready. This is so important. After we meet and you decide to work with me, we will give you a contract to sign. Once we have an executed contract, we will discuss what needs to be done to make sure your home is in the best show-ready condition possible. During this time, we'll also discuss whether or not you'll be doing any pre-listing inspections. I recommend doing this every single time. Doing a pre-list inspection will give you and any potential buyer full transparency before any offer is actually made, saving a lot of wasted time, honestly. I can't tell you how many transactions fall apart after or during inspections. This will also give you an opportunity to make any repairs prior to listing, should you want to. Now, once your home interior and exterior are in show-ready condition, we will schedule the professional photographer to come out and the videographer to capitalize on all the unique features of your home. Once we have all the pictures and videos back, I get to work on the back end of marketing so we can get exposure to the masses. This is the most important part of getting the most amount of money for your home. We don't just put it on the MLS, it's so much more detailed than that. I have a very strategic, modern, digital marketing strategy that I utilize that is like no other. This involves highly targeted campaign ads on various social media platforms, including Facebook, Google, TikTok, and YouTube. You'll receive tens of thousands of views. That's not including the MLS, Realtor.com, Zillow, and Redfin, just to name a few. Please note that by only putting your home on a Facebook page, only 3% of people are actually seeing it. 3% of the people you want to see it are actually seeing it. It will properly expose your home across multiple platforms. During this time, we'll also go over all of the disclosures with you so that you have these available for buyers to look at so they are fully aware of the condition of the home. Now that we're live, you can expect the showings to start. The buyer's agents will accompany any potential buyers that wish to tour your home. So don't worry about that. You're not gonna have strangers in and out your home unsupervised. Depending on the time of year and the market conditions, that will determine how long it will take for your home to sell. I'm Christina Sparks, and I would love to serve you. As always, feel free to reach out with any questions you might have. Have a